Hi everyone, my name is Kelly, and today I'm going to walk you through a tutorial on how to play the song Other Side by Lena Raine. The song's coming out in the new update Caves and Cliffs for Minecraft. Alright guys, this is a pretty simple pattern. I'm just going to play a little bit of it for you so you can see how it's done. So I'm guessing Lena wrote this on the piano, which seems obvious, but not always because it's electronic music, and you don't really need to play anything to make electronic music. You can do everything, as they say, in the box. Here we go. We're going to put our left hand thumb on C. That's one octave below middle C, which is right there. And our right hand is going to do the following notes: G, C, D, E, followed by another G. So we're going to go left hand thumb on C, right hand G, C, D, E, G. Let's try that again. C, G, C, D, E, G. And repeat. C, G, C, D, E, G. Okay? So there are going to be 4 little patterns like this, each of them repeated twice. And the next thing you're going to do is go to an A in the left hand. I use my middle finger for that. And the right hand is going to remain the same as it was before. So we have A, G, C, D, E, G. And then we repeat that. A, G, C, D, E, G. Now we're going to an F in the left hand here. And then the right hand is the same thing. G, C, D, E, G. F, G, C, D, E, G. And then the last part of the pattern is G, G, C, D, E, G. G, G, C, D, E, G. Alright, let's review that now. So starting on C with the left hand, C, G, C, D, E, G. Repeat that. Going to an A in the left, A, G, C, D, E, G. To an F, G, C, D, E, G. Repeat. And then finally a G in the left hand, C, D, E, G. Here's that pattern a bit faster. So that will take you through about half of the song, in which the next part changes to 4 new patterns. Here are the patterns for the second half of the song. The left hand plays A to start with your thumb, and the right hand will play the following notes: E, A, B, C. It looks kind of like the first part, just the pattern is shifted a little bit. So we're going to go A, E, B, C, E, and then repeat. A, E, B, C, E. Now your left hand is going to go to an F there, and then the right hand will stay the same here. E, A, B, C, E, F. Now the left hand goes to G, and the right hand is going to shift to the left one set of keys. The right hand is D, G, A, B, D. G, D, G, A, B, D. Repeat. And then the last part of that pattern, you're going to play an E down here in the left hand, and the right hand is going to go E, G sharp, A, B, E. E, E, G sharp, A, B, E. Let's review that just so that we have it. So we're going to play A in the left hand. Right hand is going to play E, A, B, C, E. And then you repeat. Left hand's going to F. Right hand staying the same. Another one. G in the left hand. Now the right hand goes D, G, A, B, D. Left hand goes to E here. Right hand goes E, G sharp, A, B, E, and then our final repeat. Here's that pattern a little faster. F, G, E, and that's about it. You guys can do some other things if you want. For example, we were playing in this octave to start, but I think like partway through she shifts up an octave, so everything goes to a higher octave, like, which sounds pretty cool. You can also use the sustain pedal down here and hold that down for each pattern. I would pick it up every time you switch bass notes though and put it back down. So pick it up, put it down, pick it up, put it back down. Thanks for stopping by today, guys. I really appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully it helped you to learn how to play Other Side by Lena Raine.